was supposed to be the official test for the new GSXR MotoGP bike. But this time, testing the race bike was not the only challenge. A new member was about to enter the Suzuki family, and we needed to find out where its DNA came from. It was truly love at first sight. A marvelous design covering cutting-edge technology developed and used in the MotoGP class. 202 horsepower propelling 202 kilograms of precision and joy. All power delivered to the road by features like high-end traction control, ABS, launch control, various engine power mappings, as well as great suspension and braking technology. A prototype race bike compared to a cutting-edge road bike carrying its DNA. Really did not expect to be as close in performance and feeling. Great power delivery, perfect grip, and gentle handling. Imagine the power and precision of the GSX-R put into a road bike and made available for everyone. That's what happened. After finishing the test on track, we really had to hit the road. There was no discussion about that. So we went out to see how much more fun we could have out there. It was a breathtaking experience, a tamed beast on the road, and a berserk on track, designed for fun and excitement. I am the Suzuki GSX R1000, and my mission is to bring race feeling to every road.